Good morning to Work Best Master, Dr. Wan Zakri, the panels, and to whoever watching this video. I'm Kenneth Liu from UTM, Year 1, Semester 2 Architecture student. So today I'm going to present you the WEF Retreat House, our project 3. So a retreat house is a quiet or secluded temporary living space where a family can rest and relax, escaping from the everyday. So the clients for this project is a family of 4, where there is a father, mother, who work as an officer, and their son and daughter, who are still a university student. So they are nature lover and hope to have more spaces to enjoy and access the view. The design idea is to imitate the wave rushing towards the sea, and at the same time convey the symbolic meaning of the wave, embracement. The intention of this design is to minimize the impact of building in the nature and at the same time provide spaces for view watching. In this design, I've used up 114.4 square meter, and this is the space planning of the design, where the living room is a public space, the kitchen and dining area is the semi-public space, the bedrooms and the toilets are the private space. So the kitchen and dining area can be accessed directly from the living room, while the bedrooms and also the toilets within the bedrooms can be accessed through a shared area. This is the precedent study. I've looked through the design of the houses of Sandown Sea and Washington by Harry Gessner, where the design idea is to respond to the sea and at the same time extroverted towards the sea to appreciate the nature. The Bamboo Villa in Bali by Kengo Kuma, where the principle of connectivity or continuity has been applied. And this is the KA Clavelas Residence Plus Hotel in Spain by the Studio Longo and Roden architects. Their design intention is to uprise the understanding of preservation and conservation of nature, at the same time convey the feeling of sympathetic towards the nature. For the site information, a sea site is being chosen, which is located at Kampong Pugu, Lunduk, Kuching, Sarawak. The site is facing northeast direction towards the sea and facing northwest direction towards a forest. There is a campsite on a hill nearby the site where camping and hiking activities are being conducted. So the seawater can have a healing effect to help calming and relaxing the mind due to the resonance of the frequency of sound of wave and the electrical waves of human brain. As you can see in the site plan, the ground or the landscape has been extended to the rooftop to form a walkable green roof to provide a large open public space for outdoor activities like barbecue. Linear spatial organization is used with a U-shaped configuration where there's an introverted focus and extroverted towards the nature to appreciate the nature. As you can see in the level 1 plan, here will be the entrance of the retreat house, going down inside the living room, the dining and kitchen area, the toilets, and going up with a height difference of 1 meter to the side bedrooms with a shared toilet. And here's the outdoor decks, which will extend to the sea with a swimming pool. Going upstairs with a 3 meter of height difference, then reaching level 2, where the master bedrooms with a toilet is located. And here's the rooftop deck. From the section XX, the principle of continuity or connectivity can be seen throughout the structure of the design, where the structure of the roof is continual until the structure of the floor. As you can see in section YY, the design of the retreat house is in 3 separate units instead of only 1 unit, connected with an outdoor corridors, so it can provide more chances for the clients or the users to get contact with nature. Here's the southeast elevation and northeast elevation. As you can see, curvy shape has been used in the elevation because curvy shape has a feminine characteristic which can help the retreat house to soften the impact in the nature, at the same time reflecting the principle or the sense of fluidity. So here's the isometric of the retreat house, exterior perspective, the interior perspective of living room, and also bedroom 1. For the construction, the weft retreat house has been used using the reinforced concrete structure frame, and an isolated spread footing with waterproof membrane is being used as a foundation. A gravity retaining wall is being used to prevent the soil damaging the structure. And this is the cantilever beam with reinforcement of steel. And this is the construction detail of the green roof, which consists a layered system for the plants or small trees like shrubs to grow. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.